Welcome. In this video I will show you how to set up cycle and breathing RGB effects in G HUB for your Logitech G512 X 75 keyboard. So first of all, we will have to open the G HUB application itself. It's available on the official Logitech website, and it's a one-click install program. So once we open it, we're gonna have to go to our keyboard settings menu. We have to select LightSync on the sidebar, then select presets, and then in effect menu we're gonna have to select breathing if you want to use breathing effects. Now as for the breathing effect, we have the effect rate, so basically the speed of the breathing on our keyboard. The higher the value is, the faster your keyboard will be breathing. And we can also adjust the effect brightness to make it slightly dimmer, for example. Then we also have color cycle, which is quite similar, but it will switch colors instead of just breathing. And we can also adjust the speed of this effect, brightness, and also the saturation, so basically the colors spectrum. And once you start using one of these effects, it will be applied on your keyboard. If you want to save it to the onboard memory, you have to go to device settings, onboard mode, then enable this feature, and then select memory slot and click the three-dot icon next to it, click import G HUB profile, and select the profile that you applied this effect to. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.